Samsung accidentally confirms the presence of the Galaxy A82 5G. Also in the leaks, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 pricing has been revealed. And finally, Samsung has registered a patent in which the Galaxy Z Flip devices are going to be supported by the S Pen in future. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news from the Samsung world, and starting from the Galaxy A82, it is going to be a device that is going to be a rebranded version of the Galaxy Quantum 2. It's going to be a similar device just like the Quantum 2, and it's going to be a rebranded version of that particular machine. Only the few differences are going to be available. Even though the Galaxy A82 5G is yet to be announced, Samsung has added the phone to the list of security updates web page and under the model eligible for the quarterly updates, in which we have seen that the Galaxy A82 5G has been written, and which means that this device is going to be launching pretty much soon. Another leak for similar device has been arrived from Max Weinbach, and according to that, a trailer has been released for the Galaxy A82 5G, and it is going to be a device which is going to be absolutely amazing. And since the trailer has been released, so we can expect that this device might be launching at the end of this month or at the start of the next month. Anyhow, the device is going to be pretty amazing. Only the difference between the Quantum 2 and the Galaxy A82 5G will be regarding the Quantum chip, which is coming in South Korean variant of the device, and it's not going to be available in the global variant for the Galaxy A82 5G. As far as the spec sheet of the Galaxy A82 5G, well, it's going to be coming with a 6.7-inch of dynamic AMOLED screen with 1440p resolution, and it's going to be coming with triple camera setup on the back side. The front camera is going to be coming with a 10 megapixel of a sensor, and it's going to be coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the screen is going to be curved edges. And since 2021, we have seen that only the S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Quantum 2 are the only two devices which are coming with a curved display, so we can expect that the Galaxy A82 5G is going to be coming with a curved display. Well, on the back we have triple camera setup in which the main sensor is going to be 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel of macro shooter, and the back is obviously going to be made of plastic since it's a mid-range category device. Internally, it is going to be coming with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, which was 2020 flagship level processor, but provided it is coming with a 5G connectivity, it is going to be absolutely amazing in terms of performance. And the battery capacity it is going to be coming is the 4500 milliamp, which is going to be obviously standard right now. So all in all, this device is going to be pretty amazing in terms of its specifications, and the pricing is going to be really good. So if you are waiting for a device which is going to be really good in terms of performance, so I definitely think that this device is going to be pretty amazing in terms of pricing and the spec sheet which it coming in. So moving on towards the next leak, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is going to be even more affordable than the Galaxy Z Flip 5G previous variants, because a new leak has been arrived on Twitter, and the Twitter leaks has claimed that the price for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is going to be ranging between $999 and $1,200, which is obviously going to be $250 cheaper than the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, which was available in the US at $1,450. So this is going to be obviously a great thing, because if Samsung wanted to improve the sale of their foldable devices, then they have to lower the prices of their foldable devices, and if that leak is going to be true, then this is going to be pretty amazing. Last but not the least, Samsung has registered a patent, and Let's Go Digital has given us a detail that according to that patent, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip devices in the future will be supported by the S Pen, which means that this is going to be the third ever device which is going to be supported by S Pen. Probably we don't think that the support for the S Pen might be coming in the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is going to be coming later this year. So the S Pen support could be happening in the future, so we can expect that as well. So guys, all in all, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy A82 5G, which is going to be coming with a great specification inside, and it is going to be coming with a great price tag. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about that particular device? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.